back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday October 17 to Saturday October 23, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate toothpaste deal. You can buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $3.99 each. So you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ is $15.96. It's $3.99 each. You can use 1/4 of 16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 4.75 cents of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on Colgate.com. So the total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.04 money maker in this deal. My next deal is select Colgate Total toothpaste or mouthwash deal. Spend $10 and Colgate Oral Care and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can buy 1 Colgate Total toothpaste 3 OZ, it's $4.79 and buy 1 Colgate Total toothpaste 4.8 OZ, it's $5.49. So the totals come out $10.28. You can use 1/2 of 5 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 1/3 of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. That coupon may be available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $5.28 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just 28 cents or 14 cents each. Must be the digital coupon is 3 of 2 or otherwise the lower value or the higher value. We can check back on the Sunday. My next deal is select Colgate Renewal toothpaste or mouthwash deal. Spend $15 on Colgate Oral Care and get back $7 ECB. That one has a limit 2 per household. So you can grab 2 Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ, it's $20.58. It's $10.29 each. Also you can buy 1 Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ, it's $10.29. So my totals come out $30.87. You can use 1/5 of 30 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 1/3 of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. That coupon is possibly glitched with the $3 of 2 Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste digital coupon and $3 of Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste digital coupon. So your total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $16.87 and get back $14 ECB. So your final cost is only just $2.87 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 2 Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, it's $14.98, it's $7.49 each. You can use 1/4 of 14 Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1/2 of Maybelline Cosmetic digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Plus you can use 1/2 of Maybelline Cosmetic printable coupon on Maybelline.com. That coupon you can get for the new sign up. So the total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $6.98 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is any speed stick or lady speed stick deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you can grab 2 speed stick deodorant, it's $5.68, it's $3.79 each in my store. So you can use 1/2 of 2 speed stick CVS CRT. Use 2 50 cents of lady speed stick printable coupon on speedstick.com. So the total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $2.68 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just 68 cents or 34 cents each. My next deal is select Sick or Skintimate disposable razor deal. Spend $15 and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale buy 1 get 1 50% off. So in my store, the most of the disposable razor, it's $9.49. If your store is $9.99 each, so you can grab two, but in my store they have the price $9.49. so you can grab 3/6 intimate disposable razor, it's $23.72. it's $9.49 each. Use 1/5 of 20 any razor CVS CRT. Use one $4 of SICK disposable razor digital coupon, and use two $4 of SICK disposable razor printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $6.72 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.72 or 57 cents each. The next deal is any 6 intimate or bulldog product deal. That one is exclude disposable. So spend $25 on SICK and bulldog product and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab one SICK Hydro SICK 3 refill is $12.49. Buy one Skintimate razor blade 4 CT is $10.99. And buy one H ultra sensitive save gel, it's $3.99. So the totals come out $27.47. You can use 1/5 of 20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use one $4 of SICK Hydro SICK 3 CVS CRT. Use one $4 of SICK Skintimate razor refill CVS CRT. Use one $3 of SICK woman razor or refill digital coupon, and use one printable coupon. Plus you can use one $1 of H saving gel digital coupon. So the total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $7.47 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.53 moneymaker in this deal. The next deal is select Dove, Degree or Suava deodorant deal. Buy two and get back $5 ECB, and it's on sale. Buy one get one 50% off. So you can grab three Dove woman or men deodorant. It's $18.52. It's buy one get one half off. It's $7.29 each. So you can use 1/4 of 14 Dove deodorant CVS CRT. Use one $2.50 of 2 Dove deodorant digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitched with the $1.50 of Dove deodorant digital coupon, and use one $1.50 of Dove deodorant printable coupon. So the total coupon is $8.50. Pay or roll $10.02 and get back $5 ECB. Plus you can earn 2000 point in fetch reward is equal to $2. So the final cost is only just $2.02 or 67 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal Facial Care Deal Scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. We have such a high value on this product, so if you have the CRT, that is the great money maker deal on next week. So you can grab one L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer 1.7 OZ is $21.49, and buy two L'Oreal Foaming Gel Cleanser 6.8 OZ it's $10.38. So the total comes out $31.87. You can use 2/5 of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT. Use two $6 of L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Use one $4 of L'Oreal Age Perfect digital coupon, and use one $2 of L'Oreal Facial Care digital coupon, and use one $2 of L'Oreal Facial Care printable coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $30. Pay or roll $1.87 and get back $10 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. So the final cost is free plus $11.13 money maker. The next deal is L'Oreal Facial Care Deal Scenario 2. Buy one L'Oreal Revitalift Serum is $32.99. You can use 2/5 of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care. Use two $6 of L'Oreal Revitalift Serum CVS CRT, and use one $3 of L'Oreal Revitalift Serum digital coupon. So the total coupon is $25. You can pay or roll $7.99 and get back $10 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. That one is available on your account is 24 hours or 72 hours. So the final cost is free plus $5.01 money maker in this deal. My next deal is Micro Gold Multi-Action Spray Deal. Buy one and get back $9 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $9.99 each. So you can grab one Micro Gold Multi-Action Spray, it's $9.99. You can use $2 of Micro Gold printable coupon on microgold.com. Pay or roll $7.99 and get back $9 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $1.01 moneymaker in this deal. My next deal is Select Hair Care Deal. Buy 4 and get back $6 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 3 Pantene shampoo 12 to 12.6 OZ is $12 is 3 for 12 and buy 2 Pantene Nutrient Blend sulfate free shampoo is $14 is 2 for $14. So the totals come out $26. You can use 1/5 of 25 Pantene Hair Care CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 3 Pantene digital coupon and use 1/5 of 2 Pantene Nutrient Blend digital coupon. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $11 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is only just $5 or $1 each. But if you have the insert coupon on the Pantene and Nutrient Blend, that two coupon it's glitching with the digital coupon. So basically it's money maker in this deal if you have the insert coupon. The next deal is household deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab one child liquid 92 FLOZ, it's $11.94. You can buy one child port 21 to 35 cities, $11.94. And buy one draft newborn baby liquid 46 OZ, it's $11.94. So the totals come out $35.82. You can use 1/6 of 30 any purchase CVS CRT. Use $3 of Tide Port digital coupon. Use $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use $3 of Draft digital coupon. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $20.82 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $10.82 or $3.60 each. The next deal is all Hershey's neck size or Butterfinger fun size candy deal and Hershey's miniature candy deal scenario 1. Buy 5 Hershey's original or miniature candy and get back $5 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household and all Hershey's neck size candy on sale 5 for $15. So you can buy 5 Hershey's Kit Kat snack size candy is $15. Also buy 5 Hershey's miniature candy 7.2 to 15 OZ, it's $15. So the totals come out $30. You can use 1/5 of 30 any food item CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 5 Hershey's snack size candy instant coupon, it's printed this week, and use 1/5 of 5 Hershey's snack size candy CVS instant coupon, it's printed next week. So the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $15 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is only just $10 or 99 cents each. My next deal is all Hershey's neck size or Butterfinger fun size candy deal and Hershey's miniature candy deal scenario 1. So you can grab 2 Hershey's single candy and get back $1 ECB, and this one has a limit 1 per household, and all Hershey's neck size candy on sale 5 for $15. So you can grab 5 Hershey's Kit Kat snack size candy, it's $15, or buy 2 Reese's single candy, it's 2 for $2. So the totals come out $17. You can use 1/2 of 8 any candy CVS CRT. Use 1/5 of 5 Hershey's snack size candy instant coupon, it's printed this week, and use 1/5 of 5 Hershey's snack size candy, it's available on next Sunday. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $3 and get back $1 ECB. So the final cost is only just $2 or 28 cents each. My next deal is Select General Mills cereal deal. It's on sale $1.99 each. Buy 2 General Mills Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal 12 OZ, it's $3.98. It's $1.99 each. You can use $1 of 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitched with the printable coupon, And so the total coupon is $2. Pay or roll $1.99 and get back. And the final cost is only just $1.99 or 99 cents each. My last and final deal is a Hallmark card deal. Buy 3 and get back $3 ECB. That one has a limit 1 per household. So you can grab 3 Hallmark cards, $6 is $2 each. You can use 1/3 of 2 Hallmark cards CVS CRT. Pay or roll $3 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is free. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.